In this video, we're exploring Asana Rebel, a fitness app that blends yoga-inspired movements with high-intensity workouts, aiming to cater to both yoga enthusiasts and those seeking a more vigorous exercise routine. The app offers a variety of short, equipment-free sessions, guided meditations, and healthy recipes, making it appealing for users with busy schedules. However, some users have noted that the workouts may move too quickly for beginners, lacking detailed instruction on poses and breathwork. Pricing can be confusing, with monthly subscriptions around $15.99 and annual plans varying, sometimes offered at discounted rates. It's important to note that canceling this subscription requires navigating through your device's subscription settings, as deleting the app doesn't automatically stop charges. Overall, Asana Rebel is well suited for individuals looking for quick yoga-based workouts to enhance fitness, but it may not be ideal for those seeking traditional yoga practices or comprehensive instruction.